Come over here.
I hit him with... Wait, I'm not finished.
Now turn her around so we can see Amy now. Hello, Amy. 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 Can you smile, Amy? Can you smile, Amy?
Wait. Let me have her. You take a picture of her
All right.
when she's on the couch.
Okay.
Oh.
Smile, Amy.
Smile.
Amy.
Boing. But you can't stand up with her. I'll have to help her.
She can do it.
I can help her.
Brian, she can do it. Turn around, Andy. Wow, you do a good job with her. I think Amy wants help. Are you saying help?
What's this, right? Whoa! Oh, she's standing. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, she's trying to eat me. Okay, eat me. Oh. She smiled. Why didn't you take a picture of her?
I'm taking her picture. Oh, she's trying to eat Andy again.
Whoa. She can stand up. Okay, it's 3 people. 3 people. Ah! Andy, we sit right here, and she eats my nose, okay? Okay? She's trying to eat. She's gonna eat my nose. She's gonna eat my nose. Oh. Andy, come on, I'll be your best buddy. I'll be your best buddy.
Okay, Andrea, it's Brian's turn now.
It's my turn. Ooh. Well, ho. What do you want for Christmas? Yes. Oh, you want a nose? Okay, I'll give you a nose.
Brian, I'm not really crazy about her eating your nose. Why don't you turn her around so I can see her?
Boing.
Wait, hold her real still. Amy.
Hey, Brian, could you do this? Still?
Amy.
Here. Sure. Amy, go up. Out of the way, Andy.
Pretty good.
Oh. Here, watch the camera. There. Mwah. 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 Boo.
Amy.
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 The camera. What?
Amy.
Mom, I'm second level. What?
Just a minute.
Amy. You're gonna have big birthday.
Amy. Okay, no, move it. Don't put it right in front of her. Amy. Okay, now.
Joe, here comes the celebrity. Oh no. I didn't know you were in camera.
The heck you didn't. That's the only reason you came out.
Really?
Amy. Make her smile, Mark. No, come over here so she'll smile at the camera.
I'll make Hi, Peekaboo. Peekaboo. He dropped in and he said, Peekaboo.
Brian, how old is Amy?
6 months old. This is NBC News. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is the news for today, Mom.
Ah, you've been to school too long. Brian? Come here, Brian. Help me over here.
Okay. I'll come here.
Don't stick it all the way down her throat.
Sorry. I don't care. Just let it eat me.
Brian, if I see your face in this camera one more time, your
More
history.
less to diet. Less to diet.
History? What is history?
Mark, do the spoon down. We're going to gouge the top of her mouth. You're good at this, Mark. No.
Hey, it works good.
Amy.
I'm not.
She's paying more attention to me.
Look at me. Look at the camera.
She's just fine. No, don't put her hand in it.
No, she
Amy.
already had it on.
Smile, Amy.
Looks good, huh?
Mark, don't.
Chow time. Let's see some teeth. She has more hair than Paul. She's been hit by the baby food sniper.
I touched.
Sorry for eating.
Yeah, that's okay. It'll come out. You can give her some. Amy.
Hello?
Quick, stand this.
Okay.
So quick.
Bye.
Quick, Mom.
So,
Can you see me?
Spookiness just called me and told me.
Mom.
No!
Is this light on?
We're not
Yeah.
going to Nixon tomorrow, okay? They sent the tape in.
Mom.
Amy.
They
what?
sent that tape in?
Yeah, they sent
Oh, I
the
don't want
link.
a picture of that. That's icky.
They sent
Amy.
that tape in.
Give her some with frosting
Oh my
on it.
gosh.
Hey, Natalie, move that cup, would you?
Shirley Messenger tape.
Amy. Amy.
Baby. Hi.
Mm.
Hi.
Good? Is that good?